Hi everyone, this is the beginning of your ninth week of online learning. This week we're going to be looking more closely at the play Macbeth by William Shakespeare. Today's topic is going to be the setting of the play. For task 1 today, you are going to need your interactive notebook. You are going to need your interactive notebook for the next couple of weeks. If you look at the instructions on this slide, you will see that you need to go to your Google Drive and create your own personal folder in the Macbeth folder. As you can see, there are 4 folders that I would like for you to make inside your folder. The titles should be INB Notes, Assignments, Wellbeing, and Other. Your essential question and learning objective are here on the screen. You should organize your INB just like we do in class on a normal learning day. Your essential question is, how does Shakespeare develop the setting? Your learning objective is to become more familiar with the setting of the play and highlight its importance. So just a few checks for understanding before we begin. Who wrote the play Macbeth? Where is it set? What is the basic summary of the play? What is a Shakespearean tragedy? These are things that you should know by now based on the assignment you had to do last week with the information leaflet about Shakespeare and the play Macbeth. This slide gives some detail about the basic information about the play. What you should do is you can pause the video and have a read through these notes in your own time. You're going to be asked to make notes based on these notes in your interactive notebook. I will provide headings about the specific notes that I need for you to take. Okay, here we have a map of Scotland. Scotland is where the play takes place. The action of the play takes place in northern Scotland and England. In Scotland, the play is set at or near the following locations: King Duncan's castle at Forres, Macbeth's castle at Inverness, Macduff's castle at Fife, Birnam Wood or Dunsinane Hill in the countryside. There is also a scene where it is set in a castle in England, but the primary setting of the play is Scotland. For task 2, what I need you to do, given the information you got from these slides and the information that we worked on during our lesson, I need you to use the notes to draw a picture of what you imagine the setting would look like. So the setting of the play is based around castles, and generally the weather is dark and it represents the mood and tone of the play. To use this to create your image, you can use the internet to do some research. When you have completed your image, you must annotate your image. Use some of the notes from today's lesson to annotate your image. By annotations, I mean castle, dark color to represent tragedy, forest. You need to illustrate what it is you have included in your picture and justify your reasons. Explain why you made it the way that you made it. You should use the notes that I have here and the notes that are here, along with some additional research that you conduct yourself online to help you create this assignment. Any questions, please contact me in Google Hangouts and I will be happy to help.